Good afternoon, my name is Esther.
My name is Jessica.
My name is Shannen.
My name is Grace.
My name is An.
These are the ingredients: warm water, ground beef, shrimp, and onions.
Milk, oregano,
Salt, MSG, and black pepper.
Cheese, cheese grater, a pan, spatula, bowl, spoon, and fork.
First, pour the water to the pan and light the stove. And then cook the pasta. Give a pinch of salt to make it taste better.
Stir it till it cooks. Move it to a bowl.
Wow.
Then, pour some oil to the pan. After that, add some onions. Then, add the shrimp.
and add the ground beef. After the meat is cooked, add the milk. Then add the pasta. And add cheese.
And stir it till it cooks. After it's cooked, move it to a bowl. After you plate it, add a little bit of oregano.